My name is Maria. I'm a PhD student from the Human-Centered Computing Group at Aalborg University, and I'm here to present our work investigating the challenges and requirements of multi-drone systems. It is typical for one person to control one drone at a time using a physical controller as shown in an image on the left. However, research has begun to explore the benefits of deploying a group of drones as a coordinated swarm. Though it is uncertain how a multi-drone system should be designed to facilitate interaction in real-world contexts, we report initial findings from 3 study sessions involving prototype evaluations and code-design sessions we conduct in collaboration with Emergency Services of Denmark. We investigated the context of search and rescue because it is a critical and time-sensitive activity with users of various levels of technical expertise. Search and rescue provides a real-world context of drone use that helps us identify the challenges and potential and requirements for multi-drone systems. We created a prototype which consists of a user interface on a tablet, drones and physical controllers, which is connected to the same server. We conducted a study consisting of 3 sessions. In the first session, we focused on how to show an overview of drones. In the second, we focused on swarm control, and the third focused on the control and display of video feeds from multiple drones. In each session, we showed the emergency service drone pilots the prototype, had them use it, and afterwards conducted code-design sessions where we asked them questions about the prototype, invited them to envision features and functions that would be helpful in search and rescue missions. After each session, we iterated on the comments that they had given in order to revise the prototype and take it to the next session. The first session provided insight into how search and rescue teams utilize drones in Denmark. Data analysis and collaboration are prominent challenges for them. They also gave suggestions for how we should design the system. Users recommended the system should support more autonomous control. They also shared concerns for touch and gesture controls that might lead to unintended commands. In the second session, we found the users preferred when the drones could scan regions separately and act more as separated but coordinated entities. Users claimed that multiple video feeds can provide more information than they can process, and they suggested automated support to analyze the videos. In the third session, we found that the number of video feeds a user could reliably attend to was severely impacted by the flying pattern and terrain. The participants expressed their interest in having tablet devices with various levels of access, from read-only to full control to support collaboration. In future iterations, we plan to develop interfaces that can better support the control of a semi-autonomous swarm and maintain situational awareness in a time-critical mission. Thank you so much for listening. We welcome any questions and comments about this work. You can contact me in the mail below, and if you want to read the full paper, you can scan the QR code.